All right, not a lot of time today. I'm gonna quickly convince Dub to generate me an executable given a non-default source name. Okay, so this we don't need. Let's see, dub.json. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is probably just rename git move source app .d source advent.d. Okay, let's just do that first. Now, if I just compile it, it compiles as a building configuration library. Okay, I don't want that. All right. Let's see. Let's just close that. Let's see. Dub config. Package file format. Yeah. Name, description, authors. Name, description, toolchain required, homepage, authors, copyright license, subpackage, configurations, build types. Defines additional custom build types, overrides the default ones. Chosen in the command as build equals. Specifies build configurations. Okay, well, let's not change the configuration. I think we need to change the build type specifically. Build type, these are the build options. Build types, so this is how you do it. Okay. Build types, so we just need a debug. Build options, debug, optimize. Well, we don't. What's build options debug mode? What? Debug mode enables contracts as opposed to debug info, which enabled symbolic. Oh, there's a debug info C. Huh. That's a different one. Interesting. I mean, okay. Gonna try that. Debug build options. Well, better C comes in here. Let's remove that. Tasks build type debug. Yeah. Run false. Okay, so does that work? So that does work. However, if we just, yeah, so it builds a library. We don't want a library. We want an executable. Build type. Build type. Yeah. Plain debug. Set of predetermined build types. Debug. Release. Optimize. Unit test. Profile. Syntax. Build type. Build options. Build options. So. Okay, so these are all the build options, but so build options go into like build setting. So presumably target type can go in here as well. The target type. All right. Well, at least we get some kind of message. Must have a member. Okay. Target type specifies target type is executable. It didn't do it. It did not build an executable. Yeah, building information library. Does this have a target? No. Dabargs. Target args. No, that's not it. I mean, I just want an executable, though. Well, other than target type. Sub packages. Source paths. Source paths. Source advent. Invalid source import path. What? Each project's advent. Source advent. What? Main source file. Main source file. Yeah. So that's just one file. Okay, it still builds a library though. That it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. If I bring this out. Okay, so that does something. Okay. So let's delete that. Okay, so this does what I want, more or less. Target type executable, main source file is that. Why did it just ignore this though? Like I can just remove it from here. And it'll like, well, let's see. If I remove these, does it not generate the PDB? It does not. And if I put them back, well, I don't really, yeah. If I put it back, then it generates the PDB. Okay, so it does pick this up. It does not pick that up for some reason. Interesting. Okay. I mean, we can just launch it and see. Oh. Interesting. Okay, so apparently failing, but like it's. Wait, is it even working? Like, remedy install open file main main. Does it even? Oh, it does stop here. Okay, but then it just line 460. 460. Couldn't create a file to read it. Couldn't read a file. What? Handle is that. Why ignore? Oh. Then it just stops here. Handle is invalid handle value. And what did we try to create? Input year 2020 Taiwan.txt. Yeah. Input year 2022 Taiwan.txt. And why would that not? Did I just delete input? Oh. Discard changes. Yeah, it works. All right. Okay, well, this does work for me. Okay, well, mostly. Can you do like Windows or something? Huh. Guess not. Yeah, it's these build options, right? Well, I mean, we can just build options better C. And we can verify that it worked just by doing something that's not allowed, like string S1, string S2, string S3. Well, I mean, those are literals. Path 0, path 0, I think. No? No, that should not, oh, that definitely is not allowed. Okay. Why not? So what if I go back to like configurations? Oh God, what did I have here before? There's like build types. Wait, but this shouldn't work exactly. Or does it get like removed? Like what's happening here? God. It's like type info something. Oh God, what do I do to make sure that yeah. Yeah, there it is. So it's correct. So it is building the correct thing. But it might have been doing that before anyway. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so this is all we need, is these two lines. Yeah. Okay, looks like this is working. We don't really need to change much here. rename main source file. And then fix config. All right. Okay, I'm not doing anything else, so that's all today.